The Merkle Optimic 450 is a high-performance welding machine designed for precision and efficiency. Here are the key components and features. Current control. This feature allows the welder to adjust the electrical current supplied to the welding process. 7. Voltage control. This feature allows the user to adjust the voltage supplied to the welding process. If you need more specific details about any of these components, just let me know.
Explain how the voltage control indicator lights and the cooling grill work together.
Voltage control. Adjust the voltage supplied to the welding process. Together with current control, it helps maintain the stability of the welding arc, ensuring consistent welds.
Tell me more about the current control and voltage control, and what's the difference between the two?
The primary difference between current and voltage control lies in their impact on the welding process. Current control stabilizes the arc and maintains consistent heat, while voltage control adjusts the arc length and overall weld quality. Can you explain how the cooling system in the Merkle Optimic 450 enhances the welding machine's performance and longevity?
The question is too complicated. Please help me.
No problem. Let's simplify it a bit. Why is a cooling grill important in welding equipment?
Well, it's just to cool it down so it doesn't get overheated.
That's right. The cooling grill helps to prevent the welding equipment from overheating by ensuring proper ventilation. Here's a summary of your dynamic assessment activity. The user has a good understanding of basic welding components and their functions. They can adjust operational parameters but need more familiarity with advanced concepts like cooling systems. Focus on understanding the technical details and advanced features of welding equipment to improve further.